So we're back, we're looking at logos again. In the first series we looked at creating basic shapes, aligning them and maybe transforming them. This time we're going to take it further by combining shapes in different ways. So hopefully you can see the shapes that are maybe used to create that. And if you can't and you want to think about it for a second, pause the video now. Okay, well done if you paused, or even if you didn't. You can probably guess that's made of circles. So let's create a circle. As before, with the ellipse tool, click and drag, keep the shift key down. I want a black fill with no stroke, that's what I've got. If yours isn't, you'll want to change that. And then make a spare copy over here somewhere. And then another copy here. Now the trick is we're going to line up 4 circles next to each other. Pick it up by the anchor point, hold down the Alt key. What you should end up with is 4 circles perfectly aligned. And then take your spare one. So the spare one has to be the same size as the other ones. And can you see how we're going to get there? Pause for a second if you want to think about it. So I'm going to line it up from this anchor point to that middle anchor point there. And basically we're going to keep what's inside here, i.e. all that, and get rid of everything else. Now we haven't done that yet, so this is a key part of Illustrator. There's 2 ways of doing it. One is using Pathfinder in the window menu. Probably a slightly easier way and a quicker way is to use Shape Builder, which is this one over here. But firstly, we have to select all the shapes. Then we use Shape Builder. And notice as you hover over different bits become kind of highlighted, and it's kind of saying, okay, what do you want to do with them? And basically I want to get rid of all these outside bits. So if you look at my cursor, it's got a plus on it. If I hold down the Alt key, it has a minus. So I can click on a bit I don't want, and there you go, it disappears. So Alt, click, 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 and there is our finished logo within just a matter of seconds. How about that? So there we go. So that is our first look at combining shapes in different ways. Once we've created the basic shapes, we've maybe transformed them, maybe aligned them.